back tomorrow.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Your boat gently down the stream. Gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream.
Today, we are drawing a cute laptop. Let's start.
Now, where's little star? She wandered too close to fall. A stranger sang a lullaby and carried her off 'neath the midnight sky. The lantern flickered as the cradle.
It's okay. If your lines are a bit wobbly, just keep going.
Footsteps left, no voice, no song, only the wind to hum along. She's looking at rose liquid or a song of a little slicer. She uses it for her butter and toast. She has it in her stomach and then sang happily. A new unicorn place welcomed her. She was happy.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll. E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet. Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Our cute laptop is ready. Now it's coloring time. Yay! My favorite part. You can use any color you like. It's your drawing. Keep going. You're doing awesome. You're such a great artist. time. What should I draw next? A tablet or a mobile phone? See ya in the next video.